video. Hey Silly Squad, I'm back. This week's video, I'm doing the troll. Hey Sweet Squad, I'm back. This week's video, I'm here, and I'm gonna do the Trolls World Tour. Let's just get started. I'm gonna start with this. So I'm using my handy dandy scissors. Got them out of nowhere. So now I'm gonna open it. Comment down below what your guys' favorite characters. Mine is Tiny Diamond. He's just so cute. Look at him. I hope I get him. He's like one of my favorites. Look how cute this is. It's like a little container. Ooh, let's see. That's cute. Before we open it, I'm gonna try to guess. I'm gonna go with Tiny Diamond. I got an angel. Look at it, you guys. That's how I can get it. I'm gonna put it on my finger because there's a little hole in the back. It's really easy, you just slide it. It's really hard to see. So I'm gonna open the flower. Okay. Ooh la la. Down below if I look funky with these glasses on. I bet I do. I don't know who I got. You guys, what if I get duplicates? I don't know. I almost cut off his hair, but look how cute he is. Look, his hair coming. Okay, did it come? Ooh, this one's a hair clip. Let's clip it onto my hair. Look how fashionable this is, you guys. I love it. Okay, so what should I do next? So now I'm gonna be opening the troll pods, and it's really cool because you could collect all of them and you could stack them on top of each other. So yeah, I'm gonna take my handy dandy scissor pens. Tiny Diamond is probably one of the tiniest trolls in the movie. I'm so excited. Come out, little guy. I did it. You could decorate it with stickers. How cute. So look at, these are the stickers. And then here's Tiny. Wait, does Tiny stay in there? Looks like he does, but this is him. So you could put batteries in there and it will light up. But I'm so excited to see what it looks like at the end. So let's continue. I still love my little Joey. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna use my handy dandy scissors. Chop, chop, and chop. Oh, this one actually came out pretty good. I'm probably gonna do the same with the other ones. Rock and roll poppies. I'm excited for this. They all come with different stickers, you guys. It goes like a theme. Look it. So this is super cute. This is how she looks. So I love her. I'm gonna put her right there. Next, same with this one. Put on another troll pod branch. Ooh, this one is actually pretty cute. So that's branches. Here's branch. And yeah. Here's this one. So I'm opening Cooper right now. That's Cooper's. Cooper is so funny. He poops out cupcakes. There's the cupcake right there. Comment down below if you guys like Cooper. He's really funny. He's this, you guys could stack them and wrap them however you guys want, but I just like it off to the side. Not too plain, not too simple, just the way I like. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a pecker, diet, I picked this one. I'm so excited. Let's open it. We want some trash on this table. So we got her. I love her. You guys can't really tell, but if you guys could see that first, she's furry and so and she's also glittery. I love her. She's really, really crazy. That's better. First we're gonna start with Biggie. Biggie, what are you doing? I love how she is always like, oh, that's my friend. I know, that's Poppy. Yep. So Mr. Dinkles, I don't know how to say it. He is really cute, but sometimes he acts annoying. So next is Bron. How do they slide out like that? Okay. So I love how Branch has purple hair, and it's like a little combed back like that. I can't fix that. Does a fox say ding 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 ding? There's some like hip hop glasses. So I love Poppy. She's really cute. I love how she has a purple crown. I love her striped dress. Pink hair, don't care. Comment down below where your favorite, because my favorite, sorry Poppy, but it's her. She has really soft hair. I love how she's glittery, so yeah. My favorite out of the clips is gonna have to be with the angel. It's pretty cute. So let's open this up. Be careful with scissors. Yodelay, yodelay, yo. So, ooh, it came with 3 blind bags. That was hard stuff. I'm so excited. Ooh, wait, hold on. Let me try to guess what this is. Mr. Dinkles and a choo string. No, and a roller skate. You guys see that? I don't know what this is. Comment down below if you guys know what it is. Oh, when Queen Barb tries to take their string, there's the string. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm gonna go get all fashionable. Don't you guys go anywhere, don't you? Or else, please hit that subscribe button. So this right here is the glow up one. I got a little bonus thing for you guys. Cause like, who doesn't want a bonus? I got Poppy stuffed animal. She's really cute. Wait for it. I've got Tiny Diamond, is my name. I got her. I meant him. I got another him. Branch. Branch, are you in there? I have Queen Bar, which I don't really like. Oh, did you guys see my necklace? And then I have 2 little clips. Ooh, la la. I'm so excited. Oh, so before we leave, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs